living things and non-living things. We see a wide variety of things around us. Some are living, whereas others are non-living. Can you figure out living things in the picture? Children, insects, butterflies, plants, birds. Can you figure out non-living things in the picture? Kite, balloon, ball. All animals and plants are living things. Human beings are also living things. Living things move, grow, breathe, need food, feel changes, and reproduce. Living things move. Animals and human beings walk with the help of their legs. Birds and bees fly with the help of wings. Fish move with the help of fins. Plants do not move from place to place because they do not have to look for food. Non-living things move only when someone moves them. Living things grow. Plants and animals grow with time. A seed grows into a new plant. A child grows into an adult. Living things breathe. We breathe through nose. Cockroaches, butterflies and mosquitoes breathe through air holes in their body. Plants breathe through tiny holes called stomata present in their leaves. Living things need food. Animals eat plants or flesh of other animals as food. Plants make their own food in the presence of air, water, and light. Living things feel changes. Most animals feel changes with the help of their sense organs, eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin. Animals like ants, cockroach, or butterfly feel changes through their antennae. Plants also feel changes. Mimosa, that is touch me not plant, feels a touch. Lotus flower opens out at sunrise and closes at night. Living things reproduce. Animals reproduce by either laying eggs or giving birth to young ones. Most plants reproduce with the help of seeds. Some plants like carrots, money plant and potatoes give rise to new plants with the help of their roots, stems or leaves. Non-living things do not grow, breathe, reproduce, do not need food and do not feel changes. Living things and non-living things. Living things can move on their own. Non-living things cannot move on their own. Living things grow with time. Non-living things do not grow with time. Living things need air to breathe. Non-living things do not breathe. Living things need food to grow. Non-living things do not need food. Living things feel changes around them. Non-living things do not feel changes. Living things reproduce. Non-living things do not reproduce. Human beings, plants, and animals are examples of living things. Books, pencils, and bats are examples of non-living things. If you found this video helpful, please like and share the video and do subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.